Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up with Nielsen Norman Group UX study templates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Nielsen Norman Group website. Navigate to the resources section. Look for the UX study templates available for download. Select the template that best fits your project needs. Click the download link to save the template to your device. Open the downloaded template in your preferred document editor. Familiarize yourself with the structure of the template. Review the guidelines provided within the template. Customize the template by adding your project details. Incorporate relevant data that will be collected during your UX study. Ensure all sections are filled out completely and accurately. Save your changes regularly to avoid losing any information. Consider creating a backup copy of the template. You can do this by saving it with a different file name. Store the template in a secure location on your device or cloud storage. Once you've completed the template, double-check for any errors. Share the finalized template with your team for feedback. Use any modifications or suggestions to improve your UX study plan. Prepare for the study by gathering necessary resources and tools. Stay organized to ensure a smooth UX research process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.